It's time to tap with Old MacDonald. Now, stand with your feet together and your hands like a horsey, 'cause we're gonna practice the stamp. Here we go. And stamp. 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 Now a little bit faster. Stamp, 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 stamp. You did it! Let's heel stamp like the cows. Put your heel out to the side like this and put your feet together. Now, try it on the other side and bring your heel together again. So it's heel, step, heel, step, heel, step, heel, step. Oh, you're dancing great! Don't forget the kooky chickens. They love to peck and knock. Let's try it together. Knock. Put your feet together. Knock. Feet together. Knock. 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 You did the kooky chicken knock. And now you're ready for the tap and hoedown. Yeehaw! If you want more Ready, Set, Dance, make sure you like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Ready, set, dance!